Hi, friends!
Trinity Bay North is a charming town in Newfoundland and Labrador. Located at the northern tip of Trinity Bay, this picturesque area is known for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. Trinity Bay itself is a beautiful bay, named by explorer Gaspar Corte-Real on Trinity Sunday back in 1500. The bay stretches nearly 110 kilometers southward and is bordered by steep headlands that rise over 85 meters. It's a sight to behold. Trinity Bay North is made up of 4 united communities: Melrose, Port Union, Catalina, and Little Catalina. The town is a great example of how communities can come together for a prosperous future. Trinity has a strong connection to the fishing industry and natural surroundings. It is continually growing and improving, making it a wonderful place to live, work, and play. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Trinity Bay North.